We'll guide you through how to fix unable to join the network on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be super annoying as it means you then can't go and use the Wi-Fi. So let's go and get this fixed. The first thing you want to try doing is performing a forced restart. To do that, you need to press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the side power button like so. Now go and keep it held down, you'll see this screen here. Shortly, your phone screen will go black, just like so. But keep it held down until you see the Apple icon. Then you can go and release. When your iPhone restarts, open up your settings and then you can come down to Wi-Fi and try joining the network. If you can, then great, but if you still can't, you want to come back to your main settings and scroll down to General. Scroll to the bottom of General and you want to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Go to the bottom and tap on Reset, and you want to go and reset your network settings. So you can tap there. You can then confirm your decision at the bottom to reset them to factory defaults. After you've done that, come back to your Wi-Fi settings and then try joining it and hopefully you'll be successful. Hopefully this video has solved your issue. If it hasn't, you should try going and using your router and connecting to it on another device. If it still isn't working, then it's likely to be a problem with the router.